The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world after the Pacific Ocean. The ocean borders America to the west and borders Europe and Africa to the east. This ocean is known to hold many mysteries, especially terrifying waves. The following is a review of 7 moments of terrible storm waves that have been experienced by some of the ships that passed through it. Mr. Torm Lilly. Last December, a powerful storm was experienced by an oil ship passing through the Atlantic Ocean. This is Mr. Oil Tanker Torm Lilly. This oil ship experienced a storm that frightened the captain. The storm at that time made waves 7 meters high with a wind speed of 80 knots. This is a very scary situation. What do you think? Iton chemical ship. The next terrible storm was experienced by a clam tanker. Iton Chemical was caught in a major storm while crossing the North Atlantic Ocean between America and Europe. The powerful storm lasted for more than 3 days. This video shows some of the best moments of facing some real monster waves, with waves up to 13 meters high with a wind speed of 70 knots. In the end, the tanker managed to reach its destination safely, but the journey must have been very tiring for the crew. American military patrol ship. The next terrible storm waves were experienced by the American military ship. This moment was recorded during an illegal toothfish fishing patrol. This naval warship was hit by a very large monster wave. This incident occurred near Antarctica. The Southern Ocean is known for its difficult weather conditions and is the coldest and windiest ocean on Earth. The waves at that time reached 13 meters with a wind speed of 90 knots.
The gun just got fucked up.
Exhaust temperature outlets.
Fishing boat. The next big wave was experienced by Scottish fishing boats. Scottish fishing vessels braved the seas in Scotland's West Atlantic. This moment was taken by another fishing boat when they were together going through the storm at that time. The waves reached 5 meters with a wind speed of 70 knots. This small ship was stuck for almost 2 hours, but in the end they were able to get through. Shetland Islands. The next terrifying wave was filmed in 2018. This video of terrifying waves shows the conditions experienced by sailors. This fishing boat was trapped for up to 3 hours during a terrible storm at that time. These terrible waves are located 100 miles northeast of the Shetland Islands.